Hello my friends, this is the video that I made on Stripe just several days ago on November the 12th of this year, when the price of this asset was, as you can see right here, at $1.36. And at this point my main assumption was that we have to retest this first crucial level, the golden pocket range, and the second level was this yellow line. And if these two lines break, we have to see much lower price targets that potentially might lead to up to 41% of decline in the value of the stock. And guys, take a look right here. We were at this point, and since I made my previous video, this asset had a bounce out of this golden pocket range, broke it to the downside with the flying colors, and then it retested this level, broke it again, retested it from the bottom as the range of resistance, and went lower. And guys, we are not far from the crucial level of support, this previous bottom. We are about 22% above this range, and this is another evidence of the power of technical analysis. And if you want to know more about technical analysis, if you want to enhance your trading skills, you can use my experience and my call to actions on a risk-free 100% money-back guarantee offer. And for now, guys, it is a Black Friday offer with a 50% discount. And the only thing that you need to do is just to subscribe to my YouTube channel and join my Patreon account with limited time offer. Black Friday 50% discount. And guys, you've seen many of my trade calls, all delivering strong returns in just hours. Now it's your turn to trade smarter. Join my Safe Haven Patreon tier, built for traders who want consistency, structure, and real results. You will get a detailed plan to protect your portfolio, monthly one-on-one Zoom sessions with me, and private Discord access with all trade alerts, lessons, and exclusive updates. And here is the best part. If you don't earn more than your subscription price within 30 days, you will receive a full refund, no question asked, as long as your trading account balance is at least $2,500 and you've taken all the recommended trades during the period. No excuses, no fine print. You profit or you don't pay. Here are just a few of my trade results from the first half of October. But don't wait, this offer is available for a limited time only. Once the spots are filled, enrollment will close. Join today and let's start building your edge in the market.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up.
So, and on today's video, guys, I will show you what should we expect next from this stock, what major catalyst might drive its price to the upside, and how you can benefit out of its movements. So, first of all, let's take a look at the general sentiment related to this stock. If you type in Google search bar Stripe stock and switch to new stock folder, you will see several recent news, and this news grabs my attention. It was published on investing.com just yesterday, and it's titled Stripe announces $1.1333 per share dividend for Series A preferred stock. And you know that just recently they issued a new stock with the ticker symbol SATA, and according to a statement they will pay a dividends of about 1.13 cents per share. And definitely this type of dividends is quite good, but to be honest, this company is in general highly dependent on the price of Bitcoin, and for now we know that Bitcoin is deeply in red, and because of this the price of ASST also went lower. Let's continue with the technical analysis, but before we dive deeper right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell, and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, first of all, let's add the Bitcoin price action to this price chart, and as you can see we have the lowest lowest point for Bitcoin for the last several months, and the downtrend for ASST is also in play. And I have to admit that based on the technical analysis of Bitcoin, I have to say that we might see a bounce to the upside, and this bounce on top of the preferred dividend for SATA stock might drive the price of ASST a little bit higher. And that is the opportunity that you might take if you want to benefit out of its movement. So first of all, let's remove Bitcoin price action from this price chart, and let me show you SATA price action. And the most recent price action is quite interesting. When they announced their dividend payments, you can see that the price of SATA stock went down by 5.14%. And well, it is quite weird, but in general, guys, this type of stocks that are not producing a real value for the shareholders, they are still diluting their existing shareholders. If you take a look at their financials, you can see that diluted shares outstanding number is drastically increasing. You can see it right here. And this is how they collect more money to acquire more cryptocurrencies. And unfortunately, the value of Bitcoin for now is moving south. That is why, guys, the price of the stock in the medium and long-term perspective might also go to the downside. And that is why we can rely only on the temporary movements to the upside that might happen basically in the upcoming week. And first of all, let's do some measurements from the very bottom to the very top. We completed all 5 waves, and to measure all these movements and its retracement, we have to pull Fib retracement tool from the bottom to the top. Let's make this scale a little bit longer. I don't need this tool. And let me show you that for now we hit and had a very good reaction out of the 0.786 Fib level, slightly below $1 mark. And by the way, $1 is the psychological number by itself, and we have the top of the first wave that hit exactly $1 mark as well, which means this level can be and is, as you can see right here, is a very good range of support. But at the same time, guys, we are in downtrend, and this type of the most recent formation is some kind of descending triangle that usually breaks to the downside. That is why, guys, the risks are very high, and if you want to benefit out of its movements, unfortunately the downside potential for this asset might be, as I already mentioned, up to 24%, its previous bottom. And the upside potential that might hit again about $1.7 mark. Wait a second, I will show you that the upside potential might be up to 68%. And this implies again around 3-to-1 risk to reward ratio. Not the best one, but it is a minimum threshold for the trades that you should take. And yes, in general, guys, I expect the bounce of Bitcoin within next several days. And as long as and when this bounce happens, we have to see a movement to the upside for a ASST stock. And another level that this asset should break in order to confirm its at least medium-term bullishness is this sloping line. When it breaks it with the conviction of volume, it will be another, let's say, signal to the set of signals that might imply its next leg to the upside. That is why, guys, be extremely cautious with any positions on ASST, but the upside potential is still on the table, but you have to be prepared to the much higher volatility. So I think that's all information that I want to provide you. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell. And see you guys and girls next time. Bye!
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on